Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello friends. My name is Rajdeep Kailas Chaudhary, studying Diploma in Electrical Engineering from ZIL Polytechnical Pune. In this presentation, I will going to tell you about single phase transformer. These are the members of our group: Rohan Ashok Kalne, Rajdeep Kailas Chaudhary, Prashant Prakash Birade, Pratik Dadarao Surwade, and Aniket Anil Wagmare. This is the title of the micro project. Information of the single phase transformer. Our guide name is Miss Gerard Madam. This is the content outline of our micro project. Single phase transformer definition and specification, construction and working principle of single phase transformer, types of the transformer, and transformation on no load. First of all, we will see what is transformer. So friends, basically the transformer is a electrical apparatus designed to convert alternating current from one voltage to another. It can be designed in step up or step down voltage and works on the magnetic induction principle. So this is the basic transformer. In this transformer we are going to learn about single phase transformer. This is the diagram of single phase transformer. Now we will see the definition. A single phase transformer is a type of power transformer that utilizes single phase alternating current, meaning the current transformer releases on the voltage cycle that operates in a unified time phase. They are often used to step down long distance and localized transmission current into the power levels more suitable for residential and light commercial applications. The ratio of primary input winding to secondary output winding determines the change in current. Single phase transformer with 1:1 ratio can be used to isolate the circuit. Single phase transformer abided by Ohm's law and outside of the minor inherent loss due to heat do not create or remove the power. Single phase transformers are more popular than the three phase transformer in non-urban areas, as the cost of three phase distribution network is much higher and the overall electrical demand is low. The highest voltage available in a single phase transformer. So now we will see the construction and working principle of single phase transformer. The single phase transformer works on the principle of Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. Typically, mutual induction between primary and secondary winding is responsible for the transformer operation in an electrical transformer. So this is the single phase transformer construction diagram. Now we will see the types of transformer. Our first type is core type transformer. This is the diagram of core type transformer. Now we will see the definition of core type transformer. The magnetic core of the transformer is made up of lamination to form a rectangular frame. The primary and secondary winding is interleaved to reduce the leakage flux. Half of the each winding is placed side by side or concentrically on the leg of the core as shown in the figure. For simplicity, the primary and second winding is located on the separate limbs of the core. Our second type transformer is shell type transformer. This is the diagram of shell type transformer. Now we will see the definition. The shell type transformer has three limbs or legs. The central limbs carries the whole of the flux and the side limbs carries the half of the flux. Hence the width of the central limbs is about to double to that of the outer limbs. The primary and secondary both the windings are placed on the central limbs. The low voltage winding is placed near the core and the high voltage winding is placed outside the low voltage winding to reduce the cost of insulation placed between the core and the low voltage winding. So this was the types of transformer. Now we will see transformer on no load. So this is the construction of transformer on no load. Now we will see the definition of transformer on no load. When the transformer is operating at a no load, the secondary winding is open circuited, which means there is no load on the secondary side of the transformer, and therefore the current in the secondary will be zero, while primary winding carries a small current called as no load current. This current is responsible for supplying the iron losses, hysteresis, and eddy current losses in the core and a very small amount of copper losses in the primary winding. The angle of lag depends upon the losses in the transformer. So this was our the micro project, the single phase transformer. I hope you liked our presentation and micro project. Thank you everyone, and also thank you to Gerard ma'am for giving us proper guidance of micro project. And thank you for watching our presentation. And one more thing, stay home and stay safe. Take care of your family. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.